Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making crispy, juicy, homemade KFC-style fried chicken. It's super easy and tastes amazing. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. First, take 500 grams of chicken. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon paprika or chili powder, and a pinch of garlic powder. Mix it well. Cover and let it marinate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for best flavor. Step 2. Prepare the crispy coating. In another bowl, add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it all together. This is your crispy coating. Step 3. Coat the chicken. Take each piece of chicken, coat it in the flour mix, dip it again in the buttermilk, and then coat it one more time in the flour. This double coating gives it that KFC-style crunch. Step 4. Fry the chicken. Heat oil on medium flame, about 170 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the chicken and fry for 10 to 12 minutes until golden and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan. Final step 5. Serving the chicken. Look at that. Crispy outside, juicy inside, just like KFC. Serve it hot with ketchup or your favorite dip. You're going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want more recipes like this. See you in the next video.